Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Honda Odyssey in neutral. First, you'll need to locate the small access port near your gear shifter. This port is specifically designed for the shift lock release mechanism. Once found, grab a small flathead screwdriver or even your car key. Carefully insert it into the port and press down firmly. While holding the release, you can then move the shifter into the neutral position. This method is essential for situations like towing or a dead battery. Before attempting to shift into neutral, always ensure your parking brake is fully engaged. This prevents any unexpected movement of the vehicle. Next, turn your ignition key to the accessory or on position, but do not start the engine. This step provides power to the shift lock mechanism. Remember to keep your foot firmly on the brake pedal throughout the entire process. This ensures safety and prevents the vehicle from rolling once neutral is engaged. It's crucial to remember that this manual override is primarily for emergency situations, such as when your battery is dead or for towing. It's not intended for regular use. Always refer to your Honda Odyssey's owner's manual for specific instructions tailored to your vehicle's model and year. Each model might have slight variations. If the shifter doesn't move easily after pressing the release, do not force it. Recheck your steps to avoid damage. After successfully shifting into neutral, double-check that the vehicle is indeed in the correct gear before releasing the parking brake or foot brake. Having a second person to assist you, especially during towing preparations, can significantly enhance safety and ease the process. Their help can be invaluable for monitoring the vehicle's movement. And hey, while you're taking care of your car, why not make it smell great too? Life's too short for a stinky car. Check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.